Morning YouTube, and welcome back to Fern Valley Honeybees. Today what I'm going to do is open up this hive. This is about, it's been a month on Monday, today's Friday since these bees were installed. What I wound up doing is putting a second box on about a week and a half ago, because underneath the hive top feeder there was a lot of burr comb. On top of the frames there was a lot of burr comb, and they were all filled with honey. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to add a second box, because about 70 to 80% of those frames had bees on them in the first box. I thought I'm going to add a second brood chamber, 10 deep, just give them more room. You know, they're going through all that work, making all that comb and all that honey, and I'm taking it all away. So I put the second brood chamber box on, 10 frame deep, see what happens here. I'm probably going to take the hive top feeder off today. I don't think they're drinking the syrup anymore. They're bringing in lots of pollen. So it was an experiment. I think that, like I said, usually rule of thumb is about 80%. When the frames are filled, then you can add a second brood chamber. So I put it on anyways. It was pretty close to that. Figure I let them build up, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm going to take the lid off. We're going to smoke them, and we're going to see what it looks like in here. And then I'm going to put the inner cover on. I'm going to take the hive top feeder off. I'm going to put the inner cover on, and they should be good. So we're going to see here. Take the lid off. Yeah, there's still sugar syrup in here, so we're going to put this off on the side. And they look pretty good in here. We're going to smoke them down a little bit. We're going to see what some of these frames look like. And then we're going to take the top one off. And we're going to see what's going on here. They're building comb. And I can tell they've got comb built underneath it because I can feel it. But you can see they're building comb on these frames, which is good. That's what I wanted. Give them some more room, and we'll see how they do. We're going to see what the bottom chamber looks like here. Building lots of comb. See that? I like that. Put all the hard work to good use instead of me taking it away. And I'll tell you what, the honey was really sweet. The honey that I did taste out of those burr combs, it was really good. So I would say there's one. This is the third frame in. They're really not doing much. So I would say the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh frame has got comb on it that they've started. So we're going to close this back up. Carefully put these back in. Remember, when you take the frames out, you got to put them back in the same way you took them out. Make sure they're all closed together tight. And we're going to take this off. I'm going to put my gloves on here just in case they get a little angry. They were a little mad at me the other day when I came in here. So we're going to just put these on. It can't hurt. But I'm really pleased with that. There's a lot of comb being built. I should obviously have hatched brood. It's over 28, 29, 30, about 32 days total. We're going to take this off. Put this up here. A little bit of smoke. I do got my beetle blaster in here. There is some burr comb. I'm going to scrape that off carefully. Over here. I'm actually saving all this burr comb. My kid, she wants to make candles at some point, so we're going to save all the wax here. Beetle blaster is empty, which is good, no hive beetles. Just put vegetable oil in it. I'm going to put one of these on top, actually, too, on the top box. It can't hurt for as cheap as they are. Okay, the outside frame, there's nothing there. I'm going to pull out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frame from the left, and we're going to see what that looks like. Let me smoke them a little bit here. It's a pretty warm day today. It's about almost 85 degrees. It's about time the weather's gotten nice. Honey up on top. Cap brood. Hopefully you can see this okay. I'm doing this by myself. There's nectar inside. A lot of nectar. I don't know where the queen's at. She's in here somewhere. Pull this out carefully. Honey up on top. A lot of nectar in those cells. They're busy. There's honey up on top where it's supposed to be. See this or not? There's nectar in those cells. I'm trying to see if there's any eggs. A lot of nectar. You can see the brood hatch. Lots of cap brood on this side. Looks like a lot of that might be honey, actually. Now there's honey up here in the corner. All in all, looks pretty good. Looks like they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. There's honey up on top. More cap brood. Nothing on this frame here. This is the third frame. You can see they built nothing on this one yet. On the outside of that frame. But the inside of this frame, you can see the honey up on top. Nectar in these cells. I got my sunglasses on, I can't tell. I'm going to put this back in. I would say all in all it looks pretty good. So I'm going to close this back up. I'm going to take the top feeder off. I don't think I need it. They're not drinking anymore. They're bringing in lots of pollen. They look good. The second brood box for building comb. Let them just keep doing what they're doing. Maybe this summer I'll get to put a honey super on there. We'll see what it looks. We'll see what happens. But the main thing is get your colony built up, get enough honey built up for make it through the winter. That's our most important thing. We want our bees to live through the winter. So I'm gonna put some of these together. This is the third frame out. Let's see. Looks like a lot of honey up on top, a lot of nectar. They're working. I should try and find the queen. She's in here somewhere. I hope. Yeah, looks good. I can see some young bees on here. A lot of nectar. So we're looking good. So for now, YouTube, that's it. I hope you liked the video. I'm going to cover this back up here in a minute. I don't need to bore you guys with me doing that. I'm going to cover this back up, and we'll see what we'll check back on another couple of weeks, see how they're doing. So until next time, I'm going to open up. This is the Carniola hive. I'm going to actually open up the Italian hive tomorrow, and we'll do a video on that too, and we'll see what that looks like. So if you like the videos, please subscribe. There's a button next to the subscribe button, a little bell. If you hit that, you'll get a notification every time I make a video. So hope you enjoyed the videos. Until next time, YouTube, we'll talk to you. All right, bye.